Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today, and I hope you guys are doing well. So my name is Abigail Ifoma. For the new subscribers, thank you so much for supporting this channel. I really appreciate, and if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for your love and support. I hope you subscribe after watching, like the video, comment down below, let me know where you're watching from, and let me know if you're new to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I hope to see you guys again. So today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I made a simple ponytail hairstyle. So yeah, so the first thing you want to do is to get your extension, which you're seeing on your screen, and then after that I'll just section the hair into three parts. After sectioning it into three parts, I'll go ahead and start braiding. So while I'm braiding this jumbo method braid, our jungle braid method. I'm just going to braid and then take out some part of the extension out, just to make sure the hair is kind of not smooth, kind of rough. So I'm done with the first one. Here is the second one I'm going to be doing. So like I said, I section it into three parts, and then the last one of the three section, which is this one, I'm going to be mixing it with two color. So you see white and green color, so I'm going to be mixing it with that, and then go ahead and braid as well. After braiding to the tip of the hair, here is what the hair is going to look like. Like I said, I made three sections, so this is it. So here is me now. My hair is so dry. I'll go ahead and put water. So what you see me putting on my hair is just water, and then my hair cream. So I'll use my hand to detangle after applying the cream. After detangling the hair, I'll just comb it out. After combing, I'll go and I'll start using my got2b gel to put on my hair. So after applying the got2b gel, I will just use my brush, my small brush, to brush the hair just so it's smooth. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting little quantity of gel. I'm not really applying the gel to make it like very slick. I'm just putting it at the top of my hair. I don't really need much gel. So here is me. After getting it, after brushing, I'll go ahead and tie a bond. So I was actually looking myself like this at this point. I said, this hair is fine, no, even without putting that stuff on it. That was what I was saying to myself. I said, I know we'll leave this hair like this. But I have to just continue for the purpose of this video. So here is me trying to make it smooth. I lost my front hair, so because I'm still nursing a baby, guys, I just gave birth to a baby boy, in case you guys don't know. So I think that's what cut my front hair. Even my back hair, I noticed it as well. So I think that's what causes the hair loss in front. So I'll just go ahead and put my black gel. That black gel will cover that side where I lost my hair. So this is what the hair is looking like now, ready to install. So here is the back side. I'll go ahead and start applying my extension on it. So I'm going to be installing them one at a time. So here is my bobby pin. I'll put it across the hair and then use the bobby pin to put on my own hair and then just roll it. I don't have direction of what I'm doing here, but I'm just going to be rolling it till I see that it fits my face and then the hair. So the both black, that was what I installed first, and then I will just go ahead and add the color one to it.
Some kind of butterfly, baby, you give me midnight.
So voila, this is what it is. It's so simple and easy. So right now I'm just going to use my bobby pin to secure the hair, the extension on my hair, so it's not going to go out of place. So this is what the hair is looking like. Those flying hairs, I'll go again and apply my edge control or my gel depending on what you're using. So I'll just go ahead and make it smooth. So this is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do. Subscribe, like, comment and share with your loved ones. Here is me trying to show you guys what the hair looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and stay baby.